starting. That wasn't a cannonball. You landed on your feet.
Oh, come on.
Cannonballs are landing on your backside.
Mommy?
What? Really? You're supposed to land on your bottom. Spud, are you going to cannonball?